Hello, I'm Paul Wardski and I designed Vertigo for Mr. Jones Watches. We aimed for creating 100 different watches that were all completely, had their own unique colourway. Each dial was printed with numerous different colours, so up to about 7 colours altogether. Once we selected the part of the print that we wanted, we cut them down to the size of the dial and then gilded them to the dials. So it was quite interesting to have a colour palette where you could interchange it multiple, almost infinite times really. So each hour and minute disc are completely unique and no two are the same. I really wanted it to have sort of this more sort of graphic and abstract element towards it, and it's really about just playing with just having these small worlds within worlds that can sort of turn and evolve around each other.